In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove age restriction on YouTube in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From YouTube's home page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from top right corner, click on this gear icon. From here, click on General. And here you will find the option for restricted mode. You just need to toggle it off to remove age restriction on YouTube. But if you couldn't find this option here, it could be because your age is set to under 18. In this case, you just need to go back to your YouTube profile page. Now from above series of options, click on Google account. From here, click on personal info. Now click on birthday. Now once again, click on birthday. Now set your birthday. Now make sure to set it minimum 18 years. Then click on save and then click on confirm. After this, go back to your YouTube profile page and click on this gear icon. And from here, click on general. Now option for restricted mode will appear here. You just need to toggle it off to remove age restriction on YouTube. That's it. So that's how you can remove age restriction on YouTube in just few easy steps.